What's going on YouTube? It's all in hand, and in today's video I'm going to be touching upon the live streaming site from my last video, but this time I will be showing you how to cast, and I will be showing you how to cast it from an Android device, from an iOS device, and from your laptop or desktop. So first of all, if you have a smart TV, there are far too many TVs for me to go through. They all have different settings, different screen mirroring, etc, etc. So the best thing to do is to Google or YouTube, turn on screen mirroring or internal built-in Chromecast, and then type in your make and model of TV and see if you can find a video showing you how to do it for your specific TV. I mean, if I tried to tell you, I could show you on my TV, and then there's probably another 2,000 different types of TV and different ways of doing it, and the video wouldn't be any good to all of you. So my suggestion is Google or YouTube your make and model of TV, followed by turn on screen mirroring or built-in Chromecast, etc. If you just have a normal Chromecast, then just carry on and watch the video, and you should know how to use your Chromecast already. And I'll show you how you can cast from all these devices. I will be showing you about my last video about the live streaming for the sports website. However, these will work for any website at all. Anything that you can visit in a web browser, you will be able to cast your TV. Now I'm using this tablet, which is my son's, so ignore all the silly little games, etc. and stuff on there. I'm not interested in any of that. First of all, if you have a smart TV and you've turned mirroring on, etc., or even if you're just using a Chromecast, once you have got that enabled, you can either pull down from the top or just simply access your settings. As you can see here, bottom right, mine says Smart View. So Smart View on this one, they're all called something different depending on what device you've got. As you see, it comes up saying Select Device. So it's as simple as pull down and hit Smart View, and I can mirror it straight to the TV. Yours might be slightly different. Anyway, if we look up to the top left hand corner, you will see an app, a web video app. Link will be in the description for downloading this app from the Google Play Store. Just close the advert down here. Now this is just essentially a browser. As you can see, I've gone on to Live Sport WS, which I was on before. So you can just tap up here and search anything you want, and you can find it that way. TV, top right, cast button. I'm just disconnecting it as I was testing it out just to try, as I don't have an Android day-to-day device, so this is my son's, like I said. As you can see there, all my devices come up when I click on the cast button. Now it's disconnected. So unfortunately nothing is live at the moment for me to demonstrate, as when games are live then I tend to be watching them. However, yeah, it's very simple to use. So you type in whatever you want. So for example, if we go on to YouTube, you can see that it uses Google. We'll open YouTube up, and then let's just select this Captain Marvel, just because obviously I'm a big film fan and we can't wait for that one. Official trailer. It starts to play, and on the top right, when we press the cast, you see here we get the different video options. In fact, you even get the option, as you see it pop up now in the middle, to even play the advert by casting it to the TV. So just select whichever option you would like and cast away to your TV, smart TV, etc. So the one on the top, on the far right there, MP4, click on that, and then we can press connect, and then you select which device you'd like to connect it to, TV or whatever else you have in your home, and it's pretty much as simple as that. So really simple. That's how you do it on Android. What I will do is I will pop over onto my phone now, and I will show you a similar app to get from the App Store, and we can do it on an iOS device. So I'll swap over to that now. Okay, so over onto the iPhone. Obviously this will work on the iPad and iPod, any iOS device pretty much. So it's called iWeb TV. Obviously on the iPhone there is the screen mirroring option if you have an Apple TV, I think that's pretty self-explanatory. We don't have to go through that. People that have an Apple TV understand that you can cast your phone to that. So this is about this app, iWebTV. Now it's basically just a standard web browser, but as you can see at the top, it's got the cast button. It's got the cast option built in. Mine's opened to this page just simply because if you look down the bottom, you will see a star. So when you've at the top and come in here, you search. It uses Google to search. So just search livesport.ws. Obviously, you can see it here on mine. So that's what the website's called. The link to the website is in the description as well. Anyway, so once that's opened, down there, if you want to, if this is the site you're going to use all the time, I mean, you can use this just for normal videos, Facebook videos, all sorts of stuff. Hit the start at the bottom, and at the bottom it says or save as homepage. So when you click on that, you can see at the top there it's got the website livesport.ws/en. You can either just save it to your favourites or as homepage. So I'd pressed homepage just so every time I open it up, it's there ready for the football. I don't have to go searching it, etc. Just before a game. So yeah, so it's pretty straightforward. You just go on whatever. Obviously, these games, nothing's live at the moment because when I record these videos, there never is. If there is one live, I'm probably watching it. You can see the cast button at the top. You just simply open that. So you'll open the video first. So find where it is, find your broadcast time, click on it, press play. When it starts playing on your device, then hit the cast button, then select your TV, and it will literally just find its connection and send it straight over. Obviously this works on a smart TV with built-in Chromecast, or Chromecast itself. Most smart TVs have a mirroring option, etc., like I explained before in the Android part. Okay, so let's move on to the laptop, desktop, PC, whatever you've got. I'm using Mac, so I'll swap over to that now. Okay, so over onto my laptop. I'm using Mac. Doesn't really matter if you're using Mac, desktop, Windows, Linux, PC, whatever whatever you want to call it. If you're using a computer and it's got Google Chrome on it, that's all that matters. So open Google Chrome. If you haven't got Google Chrome, just literally go to Google Chrome, download in Google, and you can download it. Really simple, really easy to do. Should not need any explanation. So once you've opened Google Chrome, as you can see here, in one of my favourites is the website we keep going on about. Now, when you're in Google Chrome, if you look up here, you can see top right, display on another screen is a cast button. Now you might be looking at yours thinking, well, hang on a minute, I haven't got that cast button. It's as simple as going over to the little three dots, coming down to, you see where it says cast, hit cast, and then you'll get this window pop open. You can do it that way, that's really simple. When this window's open, you should see your icon now up in the little tab at the top. If you right click or double click, depending on what computer you're on, and just tick always show icon, that's all I have done, which means whenever I open a website, web page, anything, once I've opened Chrome, that will just always be there for me. So quick, easy access, click it, I want to share it to the TV, let's go, done. Now you can have remote screen, etc. It's really good. It's extremely simple to use. Once you know that little trick, any website, anything you're doing, so on here you would find the game you want to watch, start it playing, don't even bother going full screen. If you cast, it'll automatically just go full screen for you on the TV, and then you can use it remote or you can have it as both. So if you've got a laptop, you can have your laptop in the kitchen, and you can have it cast into the TV in the front room, so every time you go in the kitchen to top up your beverage, you will not miss a thing you are watching. Okay, so that was the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please hit subscribe, hit the bell notification so you'll never miss any of my updates. So you'll always, I will always try and find things for people to watch: football, movies, TV shows, etc. If other things go down, I try to find another way. My PayPal me is also in the description. If anyone would like to send just a small donation to help support my channel, that would be awesome. remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, you must be.
Crazy mother.